Welcome, friends, to this recording where we will solve problem number 1 from the 2019 Algebra 1 STAAR test. In this problem, we are asked, what is the slope of the graph of y equals 12x minus 19? Now, we need to notice a couple things here. We need to notice that this is written in the slope-intercept form equation of a line, y equals mx plus b. And if we know that, there is one feature of this form of the equation of a line, and that is that the value sitting to the left of the x variable, m, is the slope. So in this case, the slope is this number right here, 12, m. Okay, so m is 12, so the slope is 12. And we see that answer choice right here. So the correct answer choice for number 1 would be D. We're not quite through talking about this yet. Let's just make another note or two. That means that with a slope of 12, m equals 12, that means that we could rewrite that as 12 over 1, which means that the rise is 12 and the run is 1. If you wanted to plot this on a graph, what you would need is a graph that started at negative 19. Okay, so negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And that would be your y-intercept right there at negative 19. And your first point that you could plot would be from that point up 12 over 1. So up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 over 1. Okay, so approximately right there. So your graph would look something like this. Okay, just something like it as a rough approximation of what your graph would look like. If you wanted to confirm that, you could go to TI. And indeed, if we zoom out 1, we see that that graph does in fact look exactly that way. And looking at our table, we see that where x is 0, y is negative 19. So the y-intercept of the graph is indeed negative 19. So the slope is 12 and the y-intercept is negative 19. So this is the y-int, okay, which is represented by that value right there, b. Okay, so the y-intercept, negative 19, is b, and the slope is 12. Okay, so a lot about that question. I hope you found it helpful, and good luck when you take the STAAR test.